Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. First, we will analyze the problem on hand to find the related concepts. Then using these, we will develop a method which will produce the solution. This will help the students aspiring to get into IIT to understand the much needed advanced theories and applications in physics. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a problem on the long distance transmission of electric power. The question is as follows. An electric power plant A generating electric power at 440 volts and delivering it through a step-up transformer T1 is situated 15 kilometers away from a town B as shown in the figure. The town consumes 800 kilowatts of power at 220 volts. Power is transmitted from A to B through a two-wire line which has a resistance of 0.5 ohms per kilometer. The town gets electric power from the line through a 4000 volt to 220 volts step-down transformer T2 at a substation in the town. Find the line power loss and the power and voltage output of transformer T1. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. Power transmission is done using a two-wire line. Therefore, length of wire is equal to twice the distance between A and B. Also, resistance of line wire is equal to resistance per unit length multiplied by length of wire. When a current I flows through a resistance R, then heat produced in the wire due to heating effect of electric current is equal to I square R. This loss of power is due to the voltage drop and the values of current and resistance remain unchanged. Therefore, power generated should be equal to the sum of power demand and the power loss. Now, we are in a position to solve the problem in the question using these concepts. Now, length of wire is equal to 30 kilometers. Therefore, line resistance is equal to 15 ohms. Power consumed by the town is equal to 800 kilowatts. Therefore, input power of transformer T2 is equal to 800 kilowatts. Given that input voltage is equal to 4000 volts, therefore current I is equal to 200 amperes. Therefore, power loss is equal to 600 kilowatts. Therefore, output power of transformer T1 is equal to 1400 kilowatts and output voltage is equal to power divided by current, which is equal to 7000 volts. This completes the answer to the question.